Hi, my name is Catherine Dow, and I've been teaching for 7 years for Cobb County School District, where I work as a CTA teacher at McEachern High School. I teach culinary arts, and I'm also the CTA department chair for 12 different pathways. I completed my undergraduate degree from Kennesaw State University in 2011, where I majored in early childhood education. After working at an elementary school for a year, I decided to move on to high school. Due to my experience in the restaurant world, I was able to become certified in culinary arts, where I can teach students life skills while getting them prepared to enter the workforce. While I've learned many things as a professional teacher, I decided that I wanted to learn more and expand my knowledge in technology. I joined the master's program at Kennesaw State University in Instructional Technology in 2017, and I couldn't be happier with that decision. I was looking to fully understand how to integrate technology in a CTAE classroom along with general education classes to help foster students' learning in the 21st century environment. Kennesaw State's Instructional Technology program has given me the ability to grow personally and professionally by working to acquire the skills, knowledge, and dispositions to integrate technology with my own classroom and help fellow teachers develop and implement technology in their classrooms. During the program, I was able to complete various field experiences that allowed me to work with students and teachers to implement technology-rich lessons in classrooms. I also conducted research on my Capstone Project to develop and implement digital portfolios in a CTAE class, which allows students to showcase their skills and knowledge visually for future employers and prospective colleges. Because of the impact the digital portfolios had on our CTAE programs, I was nominated and awarded the 2017-2018 CTAE Teacher of the Year. All of the classes and field experiences have prepared me to be a technology coach. I feel confident in my ability to find key pieces of technology that benefit students and teachers. I can support technology use in my own classroom as well as other teachers in my building and my school. My short-term goal is to continue to support my school and department with technology implementation in the classrooms and work to provide professional development in hopes that teachers become more familiar and comfortable with using and implementing technology daily. My long-term goal is to work as a technology coach at the county level and support multiple schools to allow for greater use of technology throughout Cobb County.